Hi guys, so it happened. Yes, my laptop broke and it was time to replace it, and I found this great product, Aspire, the Acer Aspire, and it's a 5 slim laptop with full HD ISP display, and it's portable and powerful, and it delivers on every aspect of computing. And if I can work it, anyone can, and I love it because it's lightweight and slim, and yet it has a big display, and those are the things that are important to me. And it provides you with more workspace to work wherever inspiration strikes. It's a perfect companion to take with you on the go too, and I'm always on the go, so that makes me very happy. I'll show you guys what it looks like. And Acer is a huge, very popular product, and it's got full HD, and it's really high quality. For those people that are really into technology, you know Acer is amazing. This maximizes your visuals. The narrow bevel design offers more real estate for amazing images. Its crisp, true to life colors come alive on the 15.6 full HD IPS display color Acer Color Intelligence, and it has the blue light shield. All right, so we are going to show you. Look at how nice that is. It's got great graphics, and let's have you take a closer look at the keyboard. And as you can see, that it's got a nice big display for you. It's got an aluminum top cover, and you can turn up the music with Acer's True Harmony, bringing you deeper bass and more volume through its innovative speaker design. Another really important thing, and it's got the HDMI, the USB ports, and it will strengthen your wireless signal. So what more could you want? You want your ports to be able to plug in other devices and work with other things, and you want strong connection to Wi-Fi. You want a nice, beautiful screen so you can see with beautiful color, and everything's quicker and easy with the newer computers, and Acer Aspire is top notch. That resolution is amazing. You guys can hopefully see it. And I would definitely suggest, if you want to actually save money, this is definitely going to do it for you because it's quality at a good, reasonable cost. So definitely check it out. Acer Aspire.